when we're dealing with issues, problems, how do we think about them? First of all, we may be in denial. We may not want to face the reality, but let's face the reality. Let's accept the absolutely worst possible thing is going to happen, and we can't stop it. Accept it's going to happen. After the acceptance, then think about, right, if it's going to happen, what can I do to prepare for this? What can I do to improve my situation in the face of this disaster that's about to happen? Rather than being immobilized, which is what usually happens because our stress is so maximized out, we can't think, we don't know how to move forward. Accept it's going to happen, start preparing for it, and start thinking, how can I improve on my situation after it has happened? This gives us some hope to go forward rather than being stuck and unable to deal with the reality we are actually facing. Try it.